got you a burger. It's right here. Here's my burger. I'm just gonna hold it. Oh, wait. Don't. I'm gonna spin around. I'm gonna do a spin. And then I will. Here it is. My offering. I have a burger. Here's my burger. Do you like my burger? Maybe I can come in your bedroom now. I brought you a burger. Can I come in? Am I permitted entry with a burger? One burger with entry. No. Okay. I'll just cry a bit. Yeah, oh, that didn't work. Shoot. I got an idea. This might sound stupid. I was thinking, I don't know, a giant bone. Would a giant bone get me in the bedroom? Such a stupid idea. How do I think of these things? Wait. Okay, here. Hope you like it. I've got a giant bone. Does this do anything for you? Thought I heard him. I got a friend. Oh, I give up. We're just gonna go downstairs. I'm not loved.